In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use forms in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, what you're going to go is to go here on the top left on Create. From here, you should see the form option. Click on that. Now, as you can see, ClickUp has options for you whenever you're going to start a new form. Would it be a feedback form, a project intake, an order form, a job application, or even an IT request? Or you also have the option to start from scratch. Now, let's choose this order form for example. You're going to choose where do you want this submission to be saved. Let's say right here. Now, please do keep in mind that for you to use this, you have to have your plan upgraded so that you can have unlimited uses for forms. But what this does is for your projects in which you want members to add some of their details in which those information would automatically be put on your projects. So it helps you collect and gather data for your project. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.